By working together with Plug and Play and the ACA, we are able to accelerate the growth and the rate of entrepreneurship and innovation right here in Arizona.
Phoenix has got a good installed base and capability, great education system in the valley. You think of aero, semiconductor, number of other different industrials here in the region.
Really, I feel with the culture that is here, with the enthusiastic, positive business climate, it is just the beginning.
I am confident the results of this program will have a positive, lasting impact not only on Arizona, but across the world. And I want to thank our partners at Plug and Play for your continued commitment to Arizona's startup ecosystem.
This is the first program of its kind that I've seen, which is trying to pull all those factors together under one roof so we can have an entrepreneurial success in Arizona.
We've accelerated over 100 startups. We've initiated 10 pilots between corporations and startups. Some of those are the first revenue generating projects for these startups, which is incredibly exciting.
We at Grid 8 in Earthen, we help infrastructure players solve the energy problems. Yeah, I remember going to one of the Silicon Valley Summit. We have many meetings scheduled beforehand with a lot of the potential customers, and one of those customers is a big paint supplier and manufacturer in the US. We are at a point where we are sizing a pilot for them for one of their locations in California.
It's very exciting to see all this energy and innovation coming down into the Phoenix area.
My name is Sam Bertram. I am the CEO and co-founder of 1.1, and we are the automated indoor vertical farming company. It is not an overstatement to say that Plug and Play and your connections are a significant reason for us being alive.
What ACA and Plug and Play are doing are really creating that ecosystem to take those initial ideas up to a stage where they can be commercialized. Honeywell has a big stake in this. We love to work with these startups, get new, fresh ideas into our portfolio. So that's why we're eager to participate in this.
Carbon utility, we built containerized systems to capture and convert atmospheric CO2 into renewable fuels and advanced materials. Yeah, we think Arizona has a great tech ecosystem today with support from folks like Plug and Play, Arizona Commerce Authority. But we actually got our first paying customer through a Plug and Play introduction. So the benefit that we've received, which Plug and Play hasn't taken any financial consideration for us in return for, has been substantial. So we're huge fans of Plug and Play, and we'd encourage anyone to take a look at them.
I was really glad to see that Plug and Play is actually paying such a large attention to semiconductor companies and incubating and trying to push more and more semiconductor startups coming forward.
So the experience with Plug and Play and being part of the batch 2 has really helped us get exposure, but it's also allowed us to have multiple touch points with a number of different larger corporations and corporate sponsors here.
I think Arizona is a little bit different as a state. We've always been a little rebellious. We do things a little bit differently. And so we're able to go out and try things that others might be afraid to try. 40 years ago, this state was about tourism, cattle, citrus, the sunshine. Today, it's about technology.
Together, we will build a more resilient and prosperous Arizona.